Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check messages on the Toy Blast application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons: the profile, the settings, your lives, and the others. New, if you want to check the messages, just go to the lower bar and click to the first icon at the lower left corner of the home screen, and here you can find your news, messages, and others. And actually I have joined a team and get free 25 coins new. Click the join button. But actually I don't have the 20 level. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.